Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Let me show you how to create a cool text effect in Photoshop. So first duplicate your layer by pressing Ctrl J. Now select this, come to properties, quick actions, remove background. I'll minimize that. Now I'll select the type tool and come here and type. Duplicate that layer by pressing Ctrl J. Now take the copy layer and place it in between these two images. Select the first layer, take the fill all the way to 0%. Then with that layer still selected, add a stroke. So these are my settings. Click OK. And then select the first type layer, then hold down Control, select the other type layer and link them together. Now when you move, they will move together like this and create this cool text effect.